Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain MySQL database in the easy way. Okay. So database, we know that the database is a collection of data. Okay. So coming to MySQL, so here we are going to learn the introduction, features and products. Learning path, what is MySQL? MySQL history, MySQL future, MySQL products, MySQL community and enterprise. What is MySQL? MySQL is a popular open source relational database management system. It uses structured query language for accessing and managing the data stored in databases. So MySQL is one of the most relational database system and it is used for widely. And also it is used structured query language to access our database to get the information and store the information into the database. Here, some key points about the MySQL. So MySQL open source. What is open source? Open source is free to use. So you can use anywhere in the world if you have in the system or internet if you have. So you can modify this. It is available in the general public license as well. Relational database. Organize data in a table that can be linked SQL based. So it is SQL structured query language based. So uses SQL for managing and manipulating the data. So whenever you are going to insert and modify, update, delete, whatever the statements you are doing, so this will be used with the SQL statements. Widely used. Common in website and application part of the LAMP stack. So it is used for all the application. So whatever the complex application, the normal application, web application, every application we can use to access the database. Scalability and performance. Handle the large data and traffic with multiple storage engines. Cross platforms. Available on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So it is available OS family, all different kind of OS family. You can install and use that, or you can access that. So major operating system families, we have Windows and Unix family. Okay. Community and support. So there is a two ways available. One is a strong community and other is a support. So community, what is the difference between community and support? Community is a strong community with learning resources. Whatever the resources available, by using those resources, we can use without any paying. Okay. So commercial support. When you are going to use a commercial, you will get the support from the Oracle. MySQL history. So what exactly the history? History means who developed, who found, who designed and who released the database or whatever the software. So here we see this development. MySQL was developed by the Swedish software company MySQL AB. Founders founded in 1994, David Axmark, Alan Larson, and Michael Montes Witness. These three people are founded this MySQL AB Corporation to develop a MySQL database. So when they are going to develop the database software, so they use the programming language C++. So how it came the origin name of this MySQL? MySQL combines the name of Monty's daughters, My, with the abbreviation for structured query language. So the structured query language shortcut is SQL. So we can use the My plus SQL, MySQL. So so that we are going to call as a MySQL. Initial release. They released them in 1995 initially. So then after that, Sun Microsystem acquired this MySQL AB Corporation in 2008. So then Oracle acquired the Sun Microsystem in 2010. So now the MySQL is managed by Oracle Corporation. In the market, we have three flavors of MySQLs. Currently is a major one, Oracle Corporation, which is Oracle MySQL. Other is MariaDB Corporation, so Maria MySQL, and third is Percona MySQL. So these are the three MySQL database softwares are available in the market. Features of MySQL. What are the features we have in the MySQL? So when we are going to use one of the database software, one of whatever the softwares or things, so we require the features. Best features we choose and we we use those softwares or whatever the things we are going to utilize. So some features we are going to learn here. So one is the open source. Yeah, on the first video, first slide, we saw that open source, free to use, modify, and distribute. So it is a open source. Because of that, we can use freely without any issues, without any payment. So if you have internet and system, so you can install and you can download and you can install and use. Cross-platform support, compatible with the multiple operating systems like Windows, Linux, and macOS. As I already told, so this will be we can install whatever the operating system available in the market, so we can install and use this. High performance, optimized for speed, capable, handle large volume data efficiency. Scalability, supports growing database and can handle numerous concurrent connections. So whatever the biggest databases we are using, so we have a lot of biggest database. It is used for a lot of biggest application. Like if you see Twitter, Facebook, a lot of Gmail, all communication applications or no banking applications. A lot of applications are there used widely. So data security. So this is robust security features we have, including user authentication and data encryption. So we can encrypt our data. Okay. So we can give the user authentication to access the data. Asset compliance. Ensure reliable transaction processing through atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Whenever you are inserting or managing our data, asset compliance is important for the RDBMS. Okay. So this will be easy to access, easy to manage our data. Replication. So we have the replication, so we can replicate the data one database server to another database server. Means so the same data we can replicate and store into other location as well. That called as a master slave replication, master replication. So we have circular replication. So there are different type of replications we have. This is for the redundancy and improved availability of our data. If suppose any disasters will happen, we can use the replica of data. Partitioning. So enhance the performance by allowing tables to be divided into smaller manageable pieces. Full text search supports advanced text searching capabilities for efficient querying of textual data. Import and export. So we can import and export the data for CSV, XML, even dump also we can use. Community and support. So as I told, community and support, when we are going to use a community, so we have to learn by using the channels. When we are going to use the support, so we will get the support and documents and everything resources from the Oracle Corporation. Backup and recovery. We require a backup whenever the disaster recoveries happen, we can restore and we can use the data. So that is called as recovery whenever you are going to restore. Integration capability easily integrates with various programming languages and frameworks, enhancing development options. We can, as I told, so we can integrate with other programming languages and we can use this software and we can develop our application as we require. MySQL products. There are the multiple products available in the market. So for one of the MySQL. So what exactly the products? Products means if you are going to use one of the products, base version, middle version, like high-end version kind of thing. So same like that, we have a community edition, enterprise edition, cluster edition. Okay, these are the three products we are available. By using those products, we have a workbench, shell prompt router. So, and by using connecting the application, so we have a connectors. Okay. And if we are going to monitor, we have enterprise monitor. If you want to if you are going to take a backup, we have an enterprise backup. So community edition, this is a free. We can use it. It is used for the small and medium application. Enterprise edition, it is a subscription version, so we have to buy and we'll get advanced features and support as well. Cluster, it's a high availability version, real-time data access in the distributed environments. Workbench. So this is used. This this is a tool, and we can access the database by using this workbench. Okay. Shell. So this is also command line interface by using the scripting and commands, so we can manage the database. Router. So this is a middleware for transparent routing the load balancing between application and database server. Connectors. Connectors for using connecting the application. So like if you are going to use ODBC server, Java application, Java drives, Python applications like that. Pell application, Pell drive, Pell connectors. So these are the drivers. When we are having the drivers, we can connect our applications by using the drivers. Enterprise backup. So we have a good solution in that. So big backups without any issues. Okay, we can take the backup. This is called as a hard backups, and recovery also easy method. Enterprise monitor. So real-time monitoring tool we have. We can analyze the database performance and health status and okay. So finding these things, we can optimize our performance and we can uh, change our database settings and bring optimized state. Community and enterprise. So as I told previous slide, so we are having the community and enterprise. Okay, so we are going to see small differences. Community edition. So cost, coming to cost, it's an open source, there's no need to pay anything. Enterprise edition is a subscription based, so we have to pay. Based on the subscription, we have to pay and utilize them. Licensing. Community edition, no licensing. Enterprise edition, commercial license. So community edition we call as a general public license. There is no license, but it's called as a general public license, GPL. Features. Community edition, core database functionality. And if you go enterprise edition, you will get advanced features, backup monitoring. So as I told enterprise backup, we can use the enterprise tool. Community edition support. There is no support, but community driven. If any blogs, any like Google pages or any other pages, links, so we can use that and we can get the solutions and we can fix our problems. But if you go the enterprise edition, you will get the professional support from Oracle. Updates. Community edition, regular community updates will get, but if you go the enterprise edition, guarantee updates and patches will get from the Oracle. Community edition tools, basic tools we have MySQL Workbench. We can use that. It is easy. It is also free, so we can use Workbench. If you go and present premium tools for performance monitoring and backup as well will get. So this is a small intro and information about the MySQL. Thank you. Please share, subscribe, and